channel. Travelani. Olá a todos, bem-vindos aqui ao meu canal Travelani. Eu tô aqui em Nago City. I'm here in Nago City. Actually, this city is better than expected. Much better than expected. Today is Saturday, 9:59. Stay one night here and consider staying second night here. It's pretty pleasant. So this is a kind of market. Today I was so lazy. I left home, well, just now actually. There will be some event here today. It is Sakura season. The blossom started. Actually, I'm not a big fan of sakuras, but anyway. It's obento here. A lunchbox here. How is this? Oh, yeah. Let's see this market here inside. This looks like Taiwan. Small. Old. But I think it's cleaner. No big deal. Oh, this arcade here. Arcade street shopping street. Going to the beach. There's a beach there. Maybe I go to the castle. And then I don't know. I have to decide to stay or not normal night here. Actually, I like here pretty much. Nago fishing port. Selling plants here. Bom, hoje é sabadão, né? There is a free bus to Nago Castle. Anyway, it's just one cake from here. It's there in the top. This mount is the Nago, well, the ruins of the castle. There is no castle anymore. This is the fishing port, and the beach is beyond. Bom, galera, esse aqui é o porto pesqueiro. Eu ouvi falar que aqui tinha um ônibus para as ruínas do castelo de Nago, que não tem mais castelo lá. E de graça, não sei onde que pega, mas dá pra ir a pé, só 1 quilômetro daqui. Estamos aqui na temporada da florada das cerejeiras. Esse negócio meio caro. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Não se esqueça de se inscrever e deixar o like. Obrigado. 请订阅和按赞。チャンネル登録といいねお願いします。Suscríbete y dale me gusta, porfa. Iscriviti e lasciami piace, per favore.